Hello, kitties. There's Gracie. There's Mama Cat and Shiva. Throw them some food there. Come here, Mama Cat. Come here, Mama Cat. You need to eat too. There's all the kitties. Yeah. Alright, let's get us some food for the chickens. Get their food. And they will be ready to go to eat too. I gotta get the door shut. Ugh. Alright, try to do this one-handed. So here's their food. Get them a little bucket. Then I'll walk over here. Alright, so now I just take it and I sprinkle it all out for them. And then they can come out and eat. So I have it all on the ground for them. And here comes the ladies. They are coming out to eat. Hello, girls. How are you? How are you girls doing? They like their food. Hello, how are you? Are you good this morning, girls? Are you good this morning? Oh, there comes somebody else. They're still coming. Alright, I got the chickens fed, the cats fed. Now we're gonna go walk and check on our ducks. It's still cold here. We'll see if they're still frozen in the pond. Look at that beautiful sunrise. Isn't God's beauty wonderful? The pond still froze. Let's see where I don't see them. Where's our oh, there they are. There's our ducks. They're on the other side today. It's supposed to warm up, so hopefully they'll be able to have the whole pond to swim in, but then we're supposed to get more snow. Good morning, guys. Look, I brought you some food. Let's see if we can get them some food. See if they'll come here, guys. Looky here. There's you some food. We'll walk around this way. See if they'll come up and eat. Here they come. Come on. Come on. Here they go. There they go. He's eating. Come on, guys. They're a little scared, so they won't hardly eat if I'm standing out here. Oh, well. I guess we'll go and let them eat. I hope you guys have a good morning. Oh, look at all these birds flying. Can you see them? Look at all them birds. Hope nobody poops on me. Goodness gracious. Alright, bye Mo, bye Larry, bye Curly. I hope you have a beautiful day. And if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.